2015 Jeep Wrangler, 3.6 liter, of course. Cylinder 3 misfire. Well, no one else could figure it out. Went to another shop. Customer paid like $500 or something ridiculous just for them to pull the valve cover off and inspect the rocker arms on this engine, which is a common failure. And they didn't see anything wrong. Basically suggested, hey, you must have a burned valve and you do a cylinder head job. Well, of course I want a second opinion, so now it's at my shop. However, of course, taking it apart, look what we got. We got a faulty rocker arm, needle bearings are shot, causing all kinds of slop in the roller. And that was right here, cylinder 3 on the forward exhaust lobe here. You can see it just started to rub the cam, but it actually didn't damage it. It's still perfectly fine. So, there you go. If you got a Pentastar V6 with a misfire, can't figure it out, check your rocker arms, common failure point. So, alrighty y'all, take it easy.